Okay, class. So, I hope you all did your revision yesterday on helpful animals because today we're going to start with something new. We're going to continue with the long O family. We learned so far about the long O vowel, like old and oval, the long OA, like goal and coat, and also the long OW, like blow and grow. So today we're going to start with a new long O family, namely the long OE. So we spell the long O with the letter OE. Can you first tell me, can you remember what sound does the long O make? Oh, very good. Let's say it again. Oh. You see, it's long, not short. Short is oh, oh. Now we want oh. So let's quickly read these words through and then we will go a little bit deeper and explain. So I'm going to read it one time and then you repeat after me. Look at the OE, the first one. Joe. Easy enough. These ones are easy enough so far. What about the next one? Oh, foe. Good. Now let's sound out the next one. Huh, oh, ho. R, o, row. D, o, dough. T, o, toe. Now these ones are going to be a little harder. See if you can repeat after me. Mistletoe. Again. Mistletoe. And then our last one, tiptoe. Tiptoe. Yes, so let's quickly look at our words and go a little bit deeper and explain them. So let's take a look at our first picture. This here is our feet. And what is on our feet? We have toes. Say it with me. Toe. This all right? Here. Toe. Toe. Very good. Now our next one is a little bit more tricky. Here we have a deer. This is a man. This is a boy deer, like a reindeer. This is a boy. And a girl deer, a female, we call a doe. So this is a deer and this is a doe. Say it with me. Doe. Doe. Very good. Easy enough to say, right? I hope so. So our next one, let's practice saying it first, then I can explain. Here we have row. Right here. Row. Okay. Do you know what is sushi? It's something we eat. Roe is fish eggs. Fish lay eggs. And then people like to make sushi out of roe. So let's practice. Roe is fish eggs. Let's say it together. Row. Row. Almost like row your boat, but we spell it differently. Row. Then our next one. This is a tool we use to clean the garden when there is a lot of leaves or we want to make a hole in the ground to plant some seeds. We use a hoe. Say it with me. Hoe. Hoe. Almost like Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho. Let's say hoe. Very good. So the next one is a little bit more tricky to understand, so listen carefully. These two monkeys are friends, but these two monkeys are fighting. And when you fight somebody and you do not like them, we call them our foe. Let's say it together. Foe. One more time. Foe. Very good. Can you hear the long O sound? Foe. The next word we have right here is Joe. And Joe isn't a something, it's a who. Joe is a name we can call somebody. Like my name is Vian. This boy's name can be Joe, or this girl's name can be Joe. But we are practicing the long O sound. So let's say it together. Joe. Joe. Right, so Joe is a name. We are almost finished. Two more left. Two more. This right here is when it's Christmas, we like to put up a decoration. But when the decoration looks like this, we call it a mistletoe. So this one is a little bit harder to say. So let's practice it together. Let's say mistletoe. One more time. Mistletoe. I hope you are practicing with me. Let's say it. Mistletoe. Very good. And then our last word for today. This girl, here she is standing on her feet. But here on this side, she stands on her tippy toes. She stands on her tiptoes. When you stand on your toes, you go up straight, then you are longer than the other people. Tiptoe. So let's practice it together. Tiptoe. Tiptoe. One more time. Tiptoe. Very good. So this right here is our long O family, spelled O-E. We must always remember what sound the long O is. And I want you to practice saying the new words we have learned today at home. You do not have to send a video. We will do something like that this afternoon. But now I just want you to go and practice at home the new vocabulary words.